About 2 years ago, an important decision was made by Fall Creek Farm and Nursery to expand its global footprint to Southern Africa, supporting our mission to create a world with better blueberries through exceptional plants, relationships and innovation. Today, I would like to show you the first phase of the Fall Creek South Africa nursery development and share with you the exciting news that we've already started the production of our first plants, ready for delivery by the end of this year. Our experienced production manager Andries van der Reijn started planting Atlas Blue, a zero-chill variety, last week. This will be followed by Bianca, Jupiter, Victoria and Ventura.
On the 9th of June, our first tissue caster plugs arrived on site, ready to be potted. With our well-trained staff, the Atlas Blue moved swiftly through the process and into our greenhouses. At Fall Creek South Africa, we use the best equipment, structure and technology to ensure we deliver a world-class plant to our customers.
For more information on these varieties and options to preview them in your area, please contact our grower support team, Elsa and Dane, under the leadership of our commercial manager, Vian Leton. With you, together we can create a world with better blueberries.